Hello everyone and welcome back to another MATLAB tutorial. So in today's video, we will explore that how to create an animated 3D plot using a built-in function in MATLAB. So this function make it incredibly easy to visualize motion in 3D space that is perfect for the students, researchers, and anyone looking to enhance their MATLAB plotting skills. So whether you are working on a school project, a simulation, or just exploring data visualization in MATLAB, this tutorial is just for you. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to just click on the new script and an untitled file, or we can say that an editor open in front of us. So we are going to create a generic time vector, and before this, we are using these three commands. That is necessary. So after that, we are going to create a time vector. So for that, I'm using t as my variable, and I'm going to use linspace that is from 0 to 10, and I want to distribute it in 500 parts. After that, I'm going to generate my 3D data, and for that, I'm going to take x is equals to t, that is basically x is equals to time directly. Secondly, I am choosing y is equals to sine of t, and that is my y is equals to sine wave. Thirdly, I am going to choose z is equals to cos of t, and for that I am choosing z is equals to cosine wave. Okay, after that, I am use my built-in command to animate the plot. So we just write a comment that use the built-in command to animate the plot. So for that, firstly, I'm going to open my figure. That is totally optional. You can skip this also. Next, I'm using a comet tree. That is my built-in command that will animate my 3D plot. That is x comma y comma z. After that, I am going to add titles and labels. So add titles and label. So my first is title, and for title I'm using animated 3D sine cosine wave using comet tree. After that, I'm going to write x label. So for x label, I have x is equals to time. For y label, I am writing y is equals to sine of t. That is totally optional. You can adjust according to your choice. Z label, and the z label is z is equals to cosine, or we simply say that cos of t. And after that, I'm going to on my grid. So I'm going to write grid on. So let's run it. Okay, see how this created an animated plot. I like this. So when this completed, so automatically our axis and title mentioned at the top. So in this example, we created a smooth 3D spiral using sine and cosine function and animate with Comet 3. So Comet 3 is a quick and a powerful way to animate 3D data without writing long animation loops. So it's great for visualizing particle paths, signal propagation, robotics, arm motions, and many more. So that's it for today. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. What should we animate next? A surf, mesh, or real-time sensor data? And if you are new here, subscribe for more beginners friendly MATLAB content every week. So thank you so much for tuning in and take care.